Hello, in front of me I have a HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. Basically, if you want to save some battery life on your watch, or maybe you want to turn it off if you don't know how to. Okay, so to turn on the power saving mode, we need to wake up the screen on our watch by pressing the crown button. Then we need to open the quick panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. And here you will see a bunch of icons. And what you need to do is to swipe down again to scroll up like this. And you need to find the battery saver. And once you find the battery saver icon, you can tap on it. And then tap on the check mark to confirm. And the power saving mode will be enabled. And if you want to disable the power saving mode, you need to open the quick panel, scroll through the menu, and the battery saver icon will change to this, to the standard mode icon. So basically, now it's in the power saving mode state. And if you want to bring it back to the normal mode, to turn off the power saving mode, you need to tap on standard mode icon to basically turn off the power saving mode and bring your watch back to the normal smart state. And here we have it. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.